Getting by, earning, spending, borrowing, and saving among the poor. PowerPoint presentation by Lamont H. Brooks, Class Sociology 303. Problems. Assumptions. Early on in the study, many of the researchers believed that the poor live from hand to mouth, do not plan for the future, and cannot save. Financial diary researchers found out that low-income households want to, can, and do save. Financial diaries researchers found out that the poor face a triple threat: low income, irregular, unsecure incomes, lack of appropriate financial tools. Data supports the problems. Assumptions. Borrowing to make ends meet, many households use informal instruments. Savings at home, borrowing from family and friends, and lending to family and friends were the most common. Assumptions. Note: informal instruments to save on money aren't usually recorded, but is a tool that saves money. This contradicts the researchers' original thoughts. Triple threat. The main theme of the discussion at the workshop was that given the income and expense and the volatility that the low-income families face and their inability to have control over their work hours, the main financial decisions are related to cash flow management. Triple threat. Note: triple threats are directly related to finances and lack of finances, therefore supporting the triple threat statement. Conflict theory. If we continue to keep poor people down and not provide opportunities and resources for a better quality of life, history has proven that the conflict will arise. Many social problems that people face in our low income and inner cities are a result of a cycle of poverty. Applying solution. One solution I have is to provide immediate results. My topic's main problem is money, and as a community, we must host job fairs at churches, community centers, high schools, and colleges. If they are not being hired, let's start with hiring some of these people at these places. We have to face the fact if we leave them out there to face the world alone, they could become unfortunately a negative social problem for us as a community. And my sources is Collins Michael J., Leonard Hart Holly, Smeaton Timothy, Getting by, Earning, Spending, Saving, and Borrowing Among the Poor, June 2014 at www.irpwisc.edu. Thank you.